Oh, look. Ooh. Crunchy.
Our car gone.
Car's fucked.
Oh, Jesus.
Why is this what we do? Oh! Very nice. Why is this what we do with our summers?
Hey, you did the good person thing. I went and checked they were okay.
The good person thing, it made sound, so I fucking ran.
Yeah, well, I talked to them, checked on them, called,
I heard it. That's about it.
talked to everybody and their brother that wanted to stop.
They won't stop too, I guess. Would you focus your damn camera?
I can't do anything about it.
You have to tap the screen. It's the lights, it's fucking...
Yeah.
Oh, the cop's coming. I can't believe people really go in a rollover and call the tow truck and not even try to call the cops.
Dude, they didn't even call the tow truck.
She went home to go talk to her husband about it.
Yeah.
No, that is definitely the